What's up guys, welcome back to another fishing trip with High Flying Fishing. If you're new here, my name is Isaac and I guide trips out of Rockport, Texas. Today we are taking the kayak. As you can see, we're doing a little bit of crab walking. Later on I'm probably going to hop out and actually walk out, try to find some stuff. It is the afternoon, the sun is setting, time is against me right now, but what's with me is the fact that the water temp's warm, the water's coming up. We had a front earlier this week, and so I'm thinking that these big trout and reds will be up shallow, so stay tuned and we'll find out. To start off with today, we're going to be throwing the she-dog. It is a topwater and it is loud, so I'm hoping I can get some redfish or some trout to blow up on topwater. Sorry about that, seagull. Some redfish might be in trouble. I seen some reds blowing up on the shoreline over there. Oh wow, right there. That was like the most subtle topwater bite of all time. What the heck? Smaller guy. Still a guy. Hey, he heard me. He got buddies with him too. Yeah, there's at least two with him right now. Let's go, dude. Nope. Pro tip number one: whenever you're fighting a redfish, always close your legs, because they like to swim towards structure and they like to swim right between your legs if you leave them open. So that would not be a good thing. Like right now, he said nope, can't go between his legs, and I got top water, so probably not the safest thing, but I got my ray guards on, we're fine. There's that hook sticking out. Hooked with the inside hook, and the hook came out perfect, just like we drew it up. Let's get the bogas on this dude. There we go, bogas are engaged. He's a still feisty guy. That was still like the most subtle topwater bite ever. And the dude's every bit of like 25. We're actually gonna take this one back for a picture, because I think it's pretty. Got a lot of spots on it. Back to the yak we go. Alright, let's go and get a release on this old girl. The boat is in the boat. There she goes. I think I got him. There we go. Let's go. Again, that was a really soft blow up. They just like kind of engulfed it. Oh my god, that is a trout. No. Oh my gosh. And he's still just sitting. That was a humongous trout. I just don't think I ever really got a good hook set, because I reeled down to her. That sucks a lot. So I made a quick pit stop on the way back. There's a pier that has lights on it, and it's been pretty consistent trout bite every single cast. So this goes to show. And right now it is February, and there's consistent trout under piers at night. Like I'm getting bit right now. There you go, there's one. Little bitty trout. Some of them are big, some are small. But here's a big one, or here's a big one. That one that I had earlier that lost, man, that was giant. Yeah, here's this one. And right now just anchored up with my little 10-pound weight I'm just here casting into the dark part. Of this pier. And then if I let it drop low enough, someone's gonna pick it up. Right now I'm probably fishing like 5 feet. Like it's pretty deep right here. I'm doing really good throwing at this light and then working it back across. Letting it drop real slow to the bottom. And I'm getting bit right now. Yep, there's one. There's another one. There we go, we got him. Little bitty guy. As before I turned the camera on, I caught probably 2 keepers. But now I guess the small one's mixed in, which is fine. You know, bite's a bite. So there's some way close over there. Let's see if I can fish like this. Yeah, that's probably pretty good. I like that a lot. Yeah, there's one. Oh, that's a nice one. It's fighting good. For being at night, shoot, on the pier, I'd probably say that's another keeper right here. See that one right in the middle of everything. There we go, that's a nice one. That one took it. Let's go. Pretty good one right here. There you go. Good little way to save the day, to be honest with you. I only had that one red and that trout, but I was on the way back and I was like, what the heck, I might stop at these lights, see if there's any trout on them. Oh, there, I got bit again. There you go. Now you can just come out here and catch your limit and go home. I know you got to go through your smaller ones too, but not quite. That one's 14. They're all about 14 to 15 is the biggest ones you're gonna get. I mean, out here at Port Bay though, like at night, no telling. Like if I were to stay out here, I gotta go back in pretty soon because tomorrow I'm going to Houston. Oh, you can see that Topwater bite. I'm not even throwing Topwater. Tomorrow I gotta go to Houston, then I'm gonna go watch a basketball game. Go Cougs. Let them know. Oh my God, that one let me know. That one took it. Angry. This one's a nice one. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah, man. They're probably probably gonna catch me like 3 or 4 more. And then head on in because it is already, just think it's just 7 o'clock right now. And it's so dark. Here we go, we got it. Oh yeah, you can be out here all night doing this. I heard that pop over there. I'm probably gonna go check that other one. Normally, what happens whenever you fish piers at night, the bigger trout are normally up closer, as weird as that sounds. So I might be done here, catching like 1 or 2 more here, and then go to that other light that's up closer and see if I can catch me like a big one. Might do that because I hear him popping over there. So this one back over to the left. Let it drop. Got it. Come on, buddy. You're good. Oh, there you go. Very good. Very nice. It'll be interesting to paddle back in because it's dark and it is foggy as crap. We'll go closer up again. We'll go just throw it in my normal light. I already didn't even reel it. I already picked it up. Yeah, you can do this all night long if you wanted to.